or Strafe earlier, and my first commentary, and yeah. And so today we're gonna be starting a Let's Play, and yeah. So I'll call it Strafe's World. Strafe's World. And here we go. We're in my new world. I actually forgot to switch my skin. There we go. Oh, I am the original Blue Creeper that you guys needed. Or not needed. Well, at least you guys saw. Okay, so let's gather some wood. Yeah, and then I think I will put my house on this river, and I'm already planning. That is great. So yeah. This is how it's like to be a noob. And yeah. And craft the table down. Put some sticks. Gather some more wood. I'm gonna make a shovel. Stone level. Here we go. And first stone, boom. What are you? I can't even break stone. Alright. That's awesome. Just drilling. You know what? I'm not gonna go through this. There we go. What should I name this level? Or maybe I'll name it How to Basic. There we go. That's cool. How to Basic. It's the basics of Minecraft. What should I call these series? Leave in the comments. Well, I don't really have anybody to leave in the comments. But if I have views on this, would you please take a moment to tell me what the series should be called? And yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna build my way. Okay, so now we see my house. Oh, how do I make... Wait, what? Okay, that's a regular. Oh. That's awkward. I don't need that. Yeah, so let's take this wood. There we go. And then, alright, let's 1, 2, and 2. Okay, so Okay, so we've got our gate. This is going to be very useful against mobs. And I have found an apple. RKO out of nowhere. Not really. But it's fun. I mean, you gotta have some fun. It's a serious command. So yeah, I might wrap it up soon. I'm gonna check how much time we've been recording. 6 minutes. Or 3, 4, 5. Alright. So this house is turning out really well. Okay, so you guys, I'm actually really proud of my new intro. I'm actually gonna get a new one soon, to be honest. Which, yeah, it's not gonna last long. So I think I'm gonna wrap this episode up here. Thank you guys for watching this episode. Sorry. Leave a like for more, and as always, or, well, first time, like for more content.